Hi 8th graders, this is Mrs. Schoenbaum here, and I am bringing you some good news. I'm kind of tired of hearing about some bad stuff, and I have a lot of great things to share. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, yes, I am copying John Krasinski. If you haven't seen his Some Good News show yet, you should check him out on YouTube. It's pretty awesome, it's very uplifting, and I highly recommend you watching him on YouTube. So my first good news to share is, you guys did a great job this week. You made it through the first week of marking period 4. You made it through your first official week of S&U marks. And several of you joined me for my Zoom office hours, and I just loved seeing all of you. So thank you very much for that. The next piece of good news is that yes, you are finally going to select your classes for high school. High school course selection. There is a Zoom information meeting Monday at 1 o'clock. Be there so you know what to do and you'll learn how to register for your courses. The information and a link to the Zoom meeting is posted on our Schoology page. You're going to begin scheduling your courses on April 30th, so don't miss out on that. This week, there is also a lot of great work submitted by your classmates. Some of the activities this week, you had to actually attach your work to the activity. So I'd like to share some of that out. First of all, some of you actually typed your work onto the Google Slides, and that was really awesome. A great example here is by Taylor Logan. You can tell she did some color coding. She showed her work beautifully. I loved her example right there that she used. Another awesome thing that I saw was from Jaden Shirk. He actually did his work on Active Inspire and then used the snipping tool, copy and paste it onto the Google slide. That was a great idea, Jaden. I just loved it. Another awesome example of people just attaching their work directly to the slide is here by Lily Frank. I could read everything so clearly. Her work was done beautifully. Several of you did that. Awesome job to all of you. Throughout the past couple of weeks, we've had some Desmos activities, and these were all things that were optional that you do if you had time left over in your 30 to 40 minutes each day. Look how many of you participated in these 3 different Desmos activities. For coin capture, we had Bristol, Kylie, Jaden, Holly, Drew, Jordan, and Lily Frank. System of equations, Kylie and Jordan. The water slide activity, Christian, Lily, Passarelli, Jordan, Rizzo, Drew, Kylie, Ziamara, Jaden, Lily Frank, Jesse, and Bristol. That was so awesome, guys, to see that you took some of your extra time and applied it to learning something new. Great news. In the previous week, we had something in Desmos called the Turtle Time Trials, which was a really fun activity. And so many of you took part in that. I just wanted to give you a shout out also, because this is also great news. Alexis, Wesley, Peyton, Xander, Hunter, Lily Passarelli, Faith, Jaden, Cole, Kenzie, Kylie, Jordan, Rizzo, Logan Rhodes, Drew, Ziamara, Riley, Jeff, Lily Frank, Christian, Adams, Bridget, Kenzie Arment, Bristol, Gabe, Kay, Josie, Emma, and Sawyer. All of you participated in Turtle Time Trials. I hope you had a great time with that. That is some good news. More good news. IXL was also an option that you could use for spending some of your extra time that you had left over. And look at all these learners who spent at least 20 minutes on IXL during this quarantine so far, gaining some extra knowledge, applying their skills, challenging their brain, learning something new. So we have Sam, Ace, Drew, Bryce, Ziamara, Gabby, Emma, Gavin, Sawyer, Kay, Riley, and Josie. That was great news to me to see all of you participating. More good news. Some of you also chose to spend some of your extra time doing Get More Math. Look at all these learners who did this just to learn and practice their math, not because it was required. Block 1, we had Hunter, Jackson, Kenzie, Jordan, Drew, Sarah, Lindsay, Lily, Logan, Bodie, Alexis, and Faith. Block 3, there was Emma, Kenzie, Lily, Kylie, Isaiah, Gavin, Jordan, Ziamara, Kay, Ace, and Josie. And Block 5, Leah, Sarah, Bristol, Jordy, Bridget, Evan, Riley, Jaden, and Jeff. Fantastic job, learners. I have to give a special shout out to some people who really spent a lot of time on Get More Math. and earned a lot of points so far during this quarantine. My highest point totaler so far was Zia Mara. She has gained 926 points on Get More Math just since we started our quarantine on March 14th. Sarah also had 783 points. Awesome job, ladies. That's fantastic. That is good news. Lily Frank had 224, Bridget Martin 163, Alexis Smith 124, Lindsay had 120, and Jordan had 100. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you that you guys did that all just to improve your learning. Way to go. It's such great news to me, all these things that you guys have done for math. There's also some more good news in the world in entertainment. I know that you guys probably know that I'm a Jonas Brothers fan, but this past week they've been crashing Zoom sessions to promote their Happiness Continues documentary that is airing on Amazon. This is their second one. And so they actually Zoomed with me. Here they are. Here's a picture of me with them. I wish. One of my daughters actually tried to have them Zoom or join her Zoom meeting and didn't quite work, but we can always dream. But anyway, great guys. They told me to tell you, thanks for being so cool. Continue to be good. Keep working hard so your grades don't ride a roller coaster. Don't be a sucker. Stay healthy. Keep social distancing so you can live to the year 3000. In case you're wondering, yes, those are names of their songs. Some more good news in sports. I know you guys know I'm a big Penn State fan. 2 players got drafted in the NFL. Maybe some of you have been watching the draft. Penn State players KJ Hamler and Yetur Gross-Matos were drafted in the second round of the NFL draft. So that was some fun times being able to watch that. At least this gives us some connection to football. So I'd like you to send me your good news. I just shared with you good news from our math class, good news from sports and entertainment, but I'd love mostly to hear from you. So that's it for now. Please send me your good news. And until next time, stay healthy, take care, be safe. Bye, guys.